Lesson 1, Noun, Verb and Adjective Part A, Quiz number 1 and 2. Let's learn English.
Quiz number 1.
Go get your pencil and paper.
Are
You.
Ready.
Noun names a place, thing or event.
Adjective is a describing word.
verb is an action word.
Write the words below into the correct column.
Young.
Table.
Run.
Beautiful.
Speak.
Noun, verb, adjective.
Write the words below into the correct column.
Chair.
Good.
Sleep.
Clock.
Clean.
Noun, verb, adjective.
Write the words below into the correct column.
Jump.
Happy.
Walk.
Book.
Computer.
Noun, verb, adjective.
Here are the answers.
Noun,
Table. Chair. Clock. Computer. Book.
verb,
Speak. Run. Sleep. Jump. Walk.
adjective.
Beautiful. Young. Good. Clean. Happy.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
Are
You.
Ready.
Complete the sentence by supplying the correct missing word.
Number 1. I like to eat.
Number 2. I play D.
Number 3. He is my.
Number 4. My pet is a.
Number 5. D smells so good.
Number 6. I apple every day.
Number 7. Thea and James, letters to their cousins.
Number 8. We will after school.
Number 9. The Singers. A happy song.
Number 10. Gabriel and I so fast.
Number 11. The flowers in our backyard are.
Number 12. The dog has eyes.
Number 13. The tiger has teeth.
Number 14. Joseph and Anthony eat pizza.
Number 15. The refrigerator was full of foods.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. I like to eat banana.
Number 2. I play the piano.
Number 3. He is my brother.
Number 4. My pet is a dog.
Number 5. The flower smells good.
Number 6. I eat apple every day.
Number 7. Thea and James write letters to their cousins.
Number 8. We will play after school.
Number 9. The Singers sing a happy song.
Number 10. Gabriel and I run so fast.
Number 11. The flowers in our backyard are beautiful.
Number 12. The dog has blue eyes.
Number 13. The tiger has sharp teeth.
Number 14. Joseph and Anthony eat hot pizza.
Number 15. The refrigerator was full of healthy foods. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.